Hi everyone, how you doing? I'm here today to show you the Sensilift device which I've been sent and show you how easy it is to use basically, and it gives you firmer, tighter, smoother, more lifted skin over a treatment period of 8 weeks. So you have 5 areas of your face that you treat, 5 minutes on each area apart from the forehead, which you spend 10 minutes on. And you do that once a week for 8 weeks, and then you see the results. And after that you can top up your treatment every 4 to 8 weeks depending on what's needed. So it's really fast to use because you think there's only 5 areas, 5 minutes each, 10 minutes for one, it's about half an hour once a week. You can do it watching the telly. So first of all you need clean dry skin, so I've not got any foundation on today, just a little bit of mascara and lipstick. And the first thing you have to do is put on the base gel which comes with it. It's really easy to put on. It's got these lovely little rollers here. So you pop that over whichever area you want to treat. I'm going to start with this area which is like my crow's feet area. And then you plug your device in and you can choose your energy level here. I'm going to go for that one. And the massage button there, so you can have slow or fast. I'm going to go for slow, I think, for now. So there's the massages. They're really important because they help it penetrate the layers of the skin and really get down there with the treatment. So you pop it on like that and just do very gentle circles, and it just feels lovely and warm. That's all you can feel. It's quite nice. You could sit and watch the telly doing it, which I did on Friday night. Actually, I did my whole face on Friday and I can't wait to use it again. I'm really eager to see the results. So there you go. Once you finish, do that for a couple of minutes on one side, a couple of minutes for the other side. Switch it off when you're finished. And it's going to make your skin tighter, smoother. Hopefully the wrinkles will appear less, obviously, because of that. And so easy to use, as you can see. So thank you, Sensicare. I'm really looking forward to seeing the results, and I'm definitely going to keep you guys posted. Bye!